I'm sorry. I'm gonna be a shotgunner, bitch. Well, let's see the map first. And, bro, first of all, my aim sucks right now. Look at that. Look at that. It's our friend Moses Blaze. That guy there. He's doing something. Get it, teammate! Oh, shit! Oh, thanks for coming out at the best time. Oh shit, I'm gonna die! Shotgun camp like a bitch! Bitch. Focus on me, bitch. Oh, come on, dude. Thanks, bitch. Thanks, bitch! I'm low, come finish me off, please! I'm low! Put me out of my misery! Come on, fucking bullshit right there. Y'all can deal without me. Who's talking right now, bro? Shut up. I don't even know who you are. I have to be really good at aiming if I want to kill somebody. I can just, you know, spam in there. Button go, but then go Q. The meme thing, you know, the meme. No, 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 no. One out. I dare you. Moses! Hey man, get out of the way! I'm sitting on top of my teammate. Oh, my guns suck. My guns suck for this. I gotta camp. I gotta camp. I gotta camp. Hey man, shoot him! Oh, run, baby, run! So this is what it's like to be, no, it isn't. He does this. Does this. That's what he does. He does this all the time. That's what he does. That's what Dad does. That's exactly what he does. Pathetic! What a pussy. Dude, I hate the shot. Oh my god. These weapons contradict each other so much, dude. So it's kind of weird. How? Oh my god, my shotgun is good, man. When your ping is low, shotgun is great. Oh fuck, I can't have my shit. It's fucking dog shit. I'm single-handedly carrying the team. Not gonna lie. This is a good video so far. I'm getting good shots. Oh shit, don't get sniped. Don't get sniped. This is Brown with shotgun. I can't do shit right there. See, I can't do anything. I can't use my sniper. Moses, get good, dude. 20,000 points. Doing what? Doing what? Oh, he hit me, but he didn't at the same time. I'm switching because this gun sucks. I'm playing the long distance game right now. Oh my god, why are they walking so weird? Oh, Moses, I can't shoot you, bro. You're hacking or something. Just kidding. I just game in dog crap. Teammate, what are you doing, bro? Dude, get slapped, but that wasn't a slap. That was a jab in the face. Oh, look, they're leaving! Yay! They can't handle me! I can play shotgun too, bitches. I just don't because it's gay. Come on, Addy. How do you get it? Oh, move it. Fuck you, Moses. We got all the we need to do this, boys. So I say we get to move on. Let's go. Actually, focus. Let's go for it. Let's get the fun and run for your life. Is that an enemy player? That is an enemy player. I'm going off now. Well, see you, Moses. Dub for us. A well-deserved dub. Okay, now they all left, which kind of sucks. I mean, that's fun. That's the point. That's the thing. That's something I do. When the enemy team is kind of good and I can't do it by myself, my team sucks or something, I just camp and hope they leave because they get annoyed or something. And it worked. I showed them. I showed them who was the shotgun boss. We win. Yay! So 20,000 point noob. No, 20,000 pound, 20,000 point noob. You play like you just started today, lol.